DeepCool GAMMAXX AG620 with RGB. I went with the AG version over the AK version because it's just a little slimmer, so keep that in mind if you have a very nice tight case. The box is nice. So let's open it up. It's well packaged and feels very secure. In this box we have the wires and accessories, screws, and fittings for the motherboard. It's very well packaged and it comes with some thermal paste. It comes with the instructions which will help you figure out how to mount it on your motherboard, AMD or Intel. It's very well packaged. It doesn't come with the paste on it already, which is very nice, and it comes with these foam surroundings to keep it nice and secure and make sure none of the fins are bent on the cooler. It comes with the two 120mm fans already on. You're gonna have to take them off when installing. Obviously there is a piece of cardboard in the middle and you don't want that to block your airflow, so make sure you take that off. I like the checkerboard construction on the fins. It's neat. It really shows off a really cool design. No one's gonna see it in my case personally, but it's cool to have. Make sure you remove this. A lot of people forget to remove this, and don't put the paste on top of it. Remove the remove it. It says remove. But overall, it looks like a very good construction. High quality with a good price. This cooler is good for 260 watt TDP, which is good for the higher end Ryzen models like the Ryzen 9. So I'm personally matching it with the Ryzen 9 5900X, and it runs pretty warm. You want to keep it at least below 50 degrees Celsius. And I highly recommend it. I already ran it and everything after this video, and previously with my old cooler it was around 80 degrees at idle Celsius. Now it's sitting at like 40 to 45 degrees Celsius with the new cooler. Highly recommend the DeepCool AG620.